I've been wanting to make something different with these corns, and I came across this viral TikTok corn rip video, which I thought it's interesting because at home I don't mind eating the whole corn, grabbing it in my hand and biting into it, but if I visit someone else and if I see the whole corn, I hesitate. And this is a perfect size to serve and entertain, and I wanted to bring in some Indian flavors to it, so that's the twist that I'm going to bring. Memories of my street Indian style street food is still fresh whenever I used to walk and have a piece of butta with all the spicy flavors. That's what I'm bringing to you, to your table, so keep watching and let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. For this, I'm using regular corn on the cob. I've been roasting these whole corns easily in the air fryer. Today I'll be cutting this into 4 parts. The trickiest part of this recipe is cutting the corn. You can easily grill it, roast it on stove top, bake it, or simply air fry. Make sure to cut the cob standing vertically, never lay it down. It will roll over and harm yourself. Use a sharp chef's knife and be sure to keep your fingers above the blade. Please be extra careful while cutting them. Look at me fighting without giving up. I have to admit that it's a bit tough for me to cut, but you might find it easy. Speaking of corn, generally we are confused and we often ask the question, is corn a vegetable or carb? Technically, it's a member of whole grain family, gluten-free and packed with nutrients. It contains a variety of B vitamins and potassium, helps prevent muscle cramps and help maintain muscle mass. Time to air fry. Preheat the air fryer for 3 minutes under 370 Fahrenheit. Now place each piece one by one without crowding the basket, and be careful by not keeping the pieces on top of each other. This way it will evenly air fry and cook. I'm going to set the temperature for 395 Fahrenheit and air fry for 8 minutes. You may set it for 400 Fahrenheit if your air fryer calls for it. In the meantime, let's make the spicy masala mix. I'm using 1 tablespoon Pink Himalayan Rock Salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and here comes the main ingredient, chaat masala. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of chaat masala. Mix and keep it aside. Did you know that corn supplies about 10 times more vitamin A than other grains? It's been 8 minutes now. Let's see. Look how they have curled up a bit. These are nicely roasted. They are not completely done yet. I'm going to take them out and apply some butter on it. I have melted some butter in advance. You can use any regular butter or vegan butter. This will keep them moist and crunchy. Apply on each piece with the help of a brush. Make sure to shower some love on each piece. Since they are curled up a bit, I'm picking each piece up and brushing lightly with butter. You can use any regular butter, vegan butter, or a bit of olive oil if you wish. And now drizzle in some spice mix to the pieces, the spice mix which we prepared before, and place them back into the basket. One by one, make sure they're not crowded. And I'm going to air fry for 2 more minutes under 395°F. Gorgeous. Roasted corn ribs, Indian street style. It's a little hot, and now I'm going to dab a bit of masala on the lime half and rub it all over. This is the memory I had when I used to walk in those streets and they would just rub masala using a lime half, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Now serve it and squeeze a bit of lime juice on top. And now I'm also going to garnish with cilantro or coriander leaves. Beautiful and tasty. You're gonna love it. This can be a great starter dish or a side dish, or simply enjoy it during your weekends, any holidays that's coming up, or after school snack. Pretty cool, pretty neat, and delicious. I like to bring in some traditional flavors and create unique recipes. So if you follow vegan, vegetarian and plant-based diet, do check out more such recipes. I'm going to drop the link in the description below. See you all in my next video, and don't forget to shine with Shobs.